Strong Mag. 6.4 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean on Thursday, April 27, 2023 at 3:13 p.m. local time, according to the GeoNet, NZ, Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand reported. Updated, April 28, 2023 3:26 Greenwich Mean Time 35 minutes ago. Refresh. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the Citizen Seismograph network of Raspberry Shake at magnitude 6.3. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, new, seismograms, user reports, aftershocks, earlier quakes here. Strong magnitude 6.4 earthquake at 601 kilometers depth.